This area is considered the Overlook, where you can overlook the sea. As you can see, there looks like some ferries come and go from here as well. And this building here is one of their hotels. And most of their 5-star hotels face the sea. So along the cliffs, most of these are hotels. The blue and white ferries down there will take people from Sorrento over to Capri, I think is the other island. But again, so this is their transportation. And as you all can see, those little things right there are a bunch of like motorcycles and mopeds, which is the mode of transportation for a lot of people. So again, this little section back here is very busy because it's their transportation to other islands here. Lots of boats. And a lot of the restaurants sit on top of these rocks or wall formations, whatever they may be. But I'm sure the views are stunning.
The sailing boat's out. Look at that. Well, it's windy, and obviously they need the wind. So now we're going to turn right.
We are now in Capri, which is the area that I mentioned earlier when I stated that the locals take the ferry over to Capri. Well, we are now in Capri, and this is where the limoncello factory is. Limoncello, if you don't know, is a lemon liqueur that is very popular here, and clearly they make it here. So we're going to be able to try it. You can purchase some if you want, but we'll give you a little tour as well. This is where it is being bottled. And this is the peeling process. So they have soap, lemon soap. This one is €8, and this 3-pack is €6. And again, lemon soap. They also have, the orange was good, not the dark chocolate. They have some spices and stuff. Thank you. I like it. Good. They also have some pastries, if I can get close. Different pastries. They even have a bar. This is part 2 of our excursion, where we are going to explore the Amalfi Coast via sea. So we are boarding a boat. The boat does have bathrooms. There is a bottom section that is covered, and then of course up top is open air. And we are at a port, obviously, but this port is not where our ship is docked, but a Holland ship is docked here. So we came across that bridge right there to get down here. Good afternoon. Now, it's a bit chillier. We are on a boat. We have left Salerno, and we are just going to continue to view the Amalfi Coast by sea. All morning we have been seeing it via land. So now, different vantage point, and we are seeing it via boat.
So we'll definitely show you what we're seeing. Bring you along with us, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
We have arrived in the city of Amalfi. The boat ride over was not bad at all, maybe 20 or 30 minutes. And now we are actually in Amalfi, which is a smaller island and only 4,000 people live here.
We don't have that much time.
And the building, where's my finger? The building right there, that brown looking building, is the cemetery of Amalfi. It used to be a monastery, but then it closed and now it is a cemetery. So the shops here pretty much have the same items as most little shops. They have bags, socks, clothes, magnets, hats, fans, the typical stuff. Small pharmacy. Good evening. It's about 5:30. We have been gone all day.
All day, y'all.
We got off the ship around 7:15. We are literally just getting back on. We came straight here for dinner. We are in Taste. This is actually our first time coming to one of these dining rooms, and we've been on the ship for a week, a little more than a week at this point, but we've just been trying other options. And so tonight we decided we were going to try this, and then we're going to call it a night because we have another long day tomorrow, another early day tomorrow. We have to be off the ship by 7:15 tomorrow. So we're just going to do a quick dinner and then wrap it up.
So we'll show you what we did for dinner and talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Good evening, good evening, good evening.
Hello again. We are finished with dinner. Dinner was good, in my opinion. I did the Caesar salad, meatballs, and baked ziti. No room for dessert. I ordered a vanilla cheesecake, but then I told the guy, don't bring it out because I didn't have room for it. Everything I had was good.
So I did the cheese ravioli and seafood paella.
The cheese ravioli came with a lobster
Oh
sauce.
yeah. It was a little bland. Yeah, need no more seasoning, more garlic.
But other than that, we did a tour today. It took us along the Amalfi Coast. It was about 9 hours long, so it was all day, but back on board time is 7, and I think we leave at 7:30. So we had all day in port, and we arrived around 6:30, 6:45. So a long day in port. So if you do come and you see an excursion you want to do, just know that it may be all day. To get from the port to the Amalfi Coast was about an hour drive. So the commuting does take up a portion of the time, but overall it was a good excursion. Our tour guide was great. We got to see a lot. She also gave a lot of history of different things. She was explaining the different areas and how they came about and the earthquakes that they experienced and things with the volcanoes that they've experienced. So overall, a good tour. I would definitely recommend it. It was through the ship. That's all I got.
Yep, that's about it. We're gonna call it an early night. We have a 7:15 meetup tomorrow morning.
Yes, so we are going to end this video here. We're gonna relax because I guess in order to be out by 7:15, we've got to be up by 5:45, 6 o'clock.
Yep.
So we're just gonna call it a night, figure out what we're gonna wear tomorrow, download some of this content, and then be done.
So we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.